friends, it's TinkerHUNT 2024 Christmas edition. So let's get cracking. Friends, of course, if you search HLMT23, you will be able to find the TinkerHUNT for Christmas 2024. Don't forget, when you load this, it will take a minute because it is quite complex. Of course, you can check out the details. You will find a link to this video. Of course, it is set to copy and tinker. So don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad: give a reaction before you copy and tinker, and be patient while it loads. Welcome to the TinkerHUNT. You can think of this as a bit of a scavenger hunt. There are notes explaining everything about it. The main thing, though, is you're searching for 5 items that I have carefully hidden inside this project. You've got a tiny jack-o'-lantern, Blanky, the unicorn dude, the HLMT celebrating kid, and the rocket. They're all throughout this place. You can click on items, use F to fit view and zoom in and then zoom back out as you search. You can also click on items and do T for transparent as you try and find all the hidden items. I do also want to let you know that there are 4 hidden Christmas trees as well. This statue will not be in the real project, so I'm going to delete it right now. If you find an item, you can describe it as being in House C, or you can use the house numbers, House 1, and you can talk about the floor it is on or the location. Now, there are tons of other fun things to notice. There are notes in here. I have taken the notes and shut them off. That does make it easier as you're looking around. And it's so simple by just clicking Shift-N or that button. Now, to share that you found something, you've got a couple options. One, you can reply to this YouTube video as a comment. So say this pepper was something we were supposed to find. We could click send to, and we could save that image to our computer. I'm going to just put the letter A after this because it was the first one that I was finding. Then we could close that window, and you could start a very new Tinkercad project. I'm going to quickly hit create 3D design. I'll name it Christmas TinkerHUNT Results. And you could hit the letter N, and you could add info here, but you really don't have to. Check it out. You could return to the desktop as well, though. Click on the design and upload those images. So I'm going to choose the file, and I'm going to add it. My favorite way would probably be to collect all those images and then add the explanations in the description. Of course, this is fake, but you get the idea. Of course, tag it with HLMT23 so that I can see it. Make sure it's public and hit Save Changes. And of course, friends, I am always checking out the HLMT23 tag. I will be keeping track to see the results. Friends, I want to take a moment to thank everybody that's using the HLMT23 tag. It makes my day to see all these amazing projects. Don't forget, when you send them in, of course, I will give you a reaction. Friends, of course, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.